So this is a Citroen 1.6 diesel. We've got two exhaust temperature sensors here, one on the exhaust gas leaving and one directly in the cap. So they look like this when you take them out. They're basically a thermistor, so as the temperature changes, the resistance will change. If you connect it up to your multimeter on the ohm setting, you should get a resistance reading there. So I've got 6 mega ohms there, and if we heat up the end, you can see the resistance is going down. So as the temperature increases, the resistance will decrease. So we've got it down there to 3.4 mega ohms. So both of my temperature sensors there are both connected to the same connector. So we can unplug this connector like so. And inside there you should have 4 pins, and we can measure the resistance on both of those temperature sensors. So I've actually managed to disconnect the sensor from the bracket there, and on the one before the cat we've got nearly 10,000 ohms, and for the one in the cat we've got nearly 12,500 ohms. So I have had the engine running, but now we'll start the engine, see what voltages we've got to these thermistors, and then see what the resistance is after we've let it heat up for a while. So we have 3.2 volts going to the thermistors. So with the sensor disconnected again, we've got 7.4 thousand ohms. So this is a coolant temperature sensor, and it works much the same way, 2-wire sensor, and the resistance is going to change as the temperature changes, usually located within the thermostat housing. Okay, so I've got the coolant temperature sensor connected up to the multimeter, and we've got 6.3 thousand ohms, and you can see as we heat it up in hot water, the temperature or the resistance should decrease as the temperature increases. So inside the sensor, behind this protective cap, we've just got a thermistor there. Here's another one, a fuel temperature sensor. This is actually, or was in a fuel line. You can see that connects to the fuel filter. And if we just take this out, you can see inside is another thermistor. So with the fuel temperature sensor connected up, we've got 3,200 ohms, and if we heat it up, we can see the resistance drops. The resistance decreases as the temperature increases.